In this video, we beat the shiny Chien-Pao Terra Raid in 5 turns with Koraidon. Koraidon has Fighting Terra type, Max Attack and HP, Adamant Mint, and Choice Band. If you have any questions about this raid build, please leave a comment. It doesn't matter if Koraidon is hit by Ruination at the start of the match, because on turn 1, Koraidon does Flare Blitz on Chien-Pao, dealing great damage to both Pokemon and knocking Koraidon out for a bit. On turn 2, Koraidon does Collision Course on Chien-Pao. On turn 3, Koraidon does Collision Course on Chien-Pao a second time. On turn 4, Koraidon terrestrializes and does Collision Course on Chien-Pao a third time, breaking Chien-Pao's shield and gaining a free attack on Chien-Pao. On turn 5, Koraidon does Collision Course on Chien-Pao for the fourth and final time, scoring a turn 5 knockout. Thank you for watching. Please join us for more videos.